Hello guys, hello ladies. In this tutorial guys, I want to show to you how to build up the house here. I call it to myself the most beautiful house on the planet. This is the shingle, this is the part going on top of the roof. And this is all the part here guys. About 20 pieces. This is a beautiful house. So you need to know the secret how the house is going to stay with the tornado coming, alright? Because if you just set up the way thing coming in the box, in 1 week your money going to the garbage guy. You're going to need a drill, you need a grinder, you need a safety glass, you need cushion to nail down, and look what we're going to begin. This is the part number 1, number 2, number 3. You're going to need it here, this kind of bracket guy. You're not using this kind of bracket here, don't do it, because you throw your money in the garbage. Give it to me if you don't need the money. Alright, you can make a bracket, you see, you bend it, make it 90 degrees, and you cut with the grinder, and you can use this kind of material. But you have to use this kind of bracket guy, because the way the people say you're going to screw it up, there's absolutely nothing guy. Little winds, you chingo, you're going to go to the chester. I'm sorry, the chicken going to go to the chester. Alright, that's the way it's supposed to be. Be sure you're using the bracket guy. You're not using the bracket, no set out the house. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you see what I'm using here? This is the material you're using when you build a house with bricks and blocks and concrete, using bolt tire. I cut. Alright, look. And you go with the drill, alright? You're using a stainless steel screw, waterproof. Alright. Alright, the one go across to the other beams. I use a long one. The one gonna call you as one attach one piece of wood only, and the screw tries to go an angle guy. Look, like in this case, gonna go up. Alright. This house is beautiful for your life guy, for your organic life. I gotta tell you, 99%. If you don't do the way I do guy, you throw your money on the garbage. Because this is the only way this house is gonna stay a little strong. Look, this to clean it up. The boy they wanna come out here, they do number 1, clean it up. And you have the best compost. Alright, see what I'm doing here? So far I can tell you, it's been very strong guy, look. Alright, look. I want to show you another video how you prime it and how you paint it. One more step very important. You need to paint and glue this thing to protect the wood guy. Alright? Using bracket here and bracket there. Come like 1.5 inches up. So you're gonna hit the little heavy. Alright, using this kind of stuff. Either one, the one is more convenient for you. The bolt tire, the one using the you doing how with bricks and block, or you can use to hold the plumber holding pipe. You know, you go in the basement of your house, you hold the pipe with this kind of stuff. Either one. But it's a little funny here. I decided to do with the bolt tie. You can find this on the deli, the hardware store. They have the bolt tie, right? This house, classic guy, beautiful. When you paint it, You're gonna have for a long time. It's not heavy. You can remove and you can put it in the grass. They can eat green. And that's your organic life, guy. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a beautiful house. But the only way you're gonna protect your money, the beautiful house, just with this bracket, guy. All right. Look, a bracket in every corner. You have to spend a little bit more extra, look. Because the way the people they send it to you, they're gonna stay good. Maybe one day you're gonna break in pieces. Alright? You see how I do it here? The next step, you need to find a outdoor primer and outdoor painting. Good painting, guy. Because this is a very lively tree. If you don't protect good, not making no sense, guy. Alright? Before you attach it here, put the screw here, you're using caulking, alright? Caulking, that means the water not gonna go nowhere. You need to protect the chicken, guy. Alright, before you attach it here with the screw, you're gonna use a caulking here, sealing, and paint it good. Alright? You see, this part you want to take it out every day. You know, a little bitty, you're going to clean it up. Alright, guys? I'm happy to try to help you. If healthy, guy, I don't want no millions. I just want to eat healthy, guy. Only one life to live. Eat garbage, not good. God bless all of you. Hasta la vista, baby.